let me state my case. They will pay. Magbayad sila. Ilang buhay pinatay nila? 15. Well, give me time. Pagdating ng panahon, talagang pulpugin ko kayong lahat. You watch me. Total nakita ninyo ako how I operate. I am not bragging, but I have a style of running a governance. For after all, I've been 23 years mayor of Davao City. Yung pumutok sa Davao was in retaliation of the almost talagang all out. Alam mo kasi, kung hindi ko gawin yan, we are being slapped every day. Almost. Mag-hostage sila ng mga turista or kidnap people, then asking for money. At pag hindi nakaibigay o nakabigay na at ipasa nila doon sa ibang grupo, dadagdagan, ipinapatay nila sa harap ng mundo. As a country, a sovereign state, I cannot simply allow that. I share the grief of those who died, but mga collateral na lang yun, ganti. But that will not stop us, because I cannot go to them and say, please stop, and I am on a bended knee, nakaluhod ako. I carry the burden of a country, a sovereign state. And at all costs, I must uphold the dignity and the integrity of our country.